All right, I want to tell you a little bit about Uni-West. They have saved my life. I bought this home about 15 years ago, and it's an old system with radiators, and I knew I had to have someone really well qualified. And Dave has come in every year, and I have had trouble to get it up and running from the old system, but he's known exactly what he's needed to do, and he's been pleasant. He's a member of the family now. He comes often enough, and I just hope that he stays with the company for as long as I'm going to need him. He's been great. Thanks.
It's my pleasure to recommend Uni-West Plumbing and Heating for any job you might have in that arena. We not only would use them again, we've used them repeatedly. Dave Smith has repeatedly shown his ability to do expert and timely work, and when the work has been of an urgent nature, he's been there promptly. We appreciate what they've done for us and would recommend them to anybody that had such needs.